In this video, I'm going to show you how to see dislikes on YouTube. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm here right now on YouTube and we're just taking a look at this particular video right here. And I'm sure there are some people who'd be liking this one because it's all about electric cars catching fire. So yeah, now in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and open or look for Chrome Web Store. And here we're going to go ahead and look for something called return YouTube dislike. So this is an extension that we're going to be using. I'm going to click add to Chrome, add extension, and yeah, we're just going to wait for this to be added. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and we're going to go ahead and just put it here. Now we're going to head back here. As of the moment we're not seeing it, but if we are going to refresh this, we should be able to see this one. There you go. So yeah, this is true for all the videos. I'm going to go ahead and mute this one and say open another one, say for example this. And there you go, that's another one. And yeah, this is going to be applicable for all the videos that are gonna be here on YouTube. So as you can see, now they are back. And that, everybody, is how easy it is to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.